kumbaga yung original na increase na hiningi ng Department of Finance was tempered already by doing staggered increases. Sa 2017, sa diesel, naging 3 pesos, di ba? Tapos sa gasolina, magiging 7 pesos. And then sa next year, 2018, ang diesel, maging 5, and then the year after, maging 6. Tapos sa gasolina naman, from 7, maging 9, then maging 10. So this is a way to package it para staggered yung increases. So, again, pagdating dun sa ways and means, pag-uusapan natin kung ito ba ay mabuting skema or hindi. It's not for us to defend the wishes of the Department of Finance, pero sinasabi lang namin dito sa National Unity Party, naiintindihan po namin the reason why kailangan i-adjust na natin yung increase, i-adjust na natin yung excise tax on fuel and oil. Kasi I think for 20 years, since 1997, kung daw nagkakamali, hindi pa natin na-adjust yung excise tax on oil. And we haven't indexed it to inflation. So malaki ang nawawala sa kaban ng bayan kung hindi natin gagawin ito.